So is Amazon FBA or affiliate marketing better? That's what we're going to dive into in today's video. I'm just going to compare pros and cons of each. As most people know, I've done them both, and I'm a big fan and advocate of affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you here why today. So let's take a look at the computer screen. And I have Amazon on the left, affiliates on the right. So let's just go down the different pros and cons. For those of you who are new and don't know the difference between each, Amazon FBA is where we source products and we store them in the Amazon warehouse. And then the Amazon fulfills the orders, right? And then affiliate marketing is when we promote somebody else's product and make a commission anytime a sale occurs, right? So let's take a look. So with Amazon, a big problem with Amazon, you'll see here, inventory. Is inventory required with Amazon? Yes. So in order to do Amazon FBA, you must purchase bulk inventory. So people use overseas suppliers that they find on like Alibaba and AliExpress and stuff, mostly Alibaba. There's a couple other names that people will go over there, they'll source products, they'll bulk order inventory, right? And then they'll ship it over to Amazon. So yes, you have to have inventory for Amazon FBA. Affiliate marketing, is inventory required? No. No, you do not have to have inventory. No, do you ever have inventory with affiliate marketing. We essentially, as an affiliate, you partner with companies that already have the inventory, and then you just refer people to buy the product. And then if they buy the product through them, then the company houses the inventory and ships the inventory, right? So that's one of the key factors to affiliate marketing. So you don't have to do that right out the beginning, and you never actually have to have products. Amazon. So a lot of people, another thing that people like to ask is, what is the time frame for success, or how soon can I get started, right? Not really, you can't really measure the time frame for success, but how soon can I get started with this business model? Well, Amazon FBA, honestly, is going to take you at least 90 days. 90 days. And the reason for this is you have to manufacture products, right? Not only do you have to, first you have to do product research. You have to find the product you think is going to sell. You have to do manufacturing research. You have to find manufacturers that will manufacture the products you want at the quality you want, right? Then you got to do photography. You have to do a lot of things. You have to test the product. You got to get samples. You have to back and forth with suppliers, trying to see what's going to, what works, like what you need fixed and stuff like that. So it's going to take at least 90 days to launch your product on Amazon. Whereas affiliate marketing, you can get started in literally as soon as 12 hours, to be honest. Like, I'm not saying that's the most practical, but like you can go find an affiliate offer literally right now, and you can honestly get started in 1 hour. Like, you can go find an affiliate offer and go put it on your Facebook page. You go put it on your TikTok page. You go put it on your Instagram, right? You can get started as soon as, honestly, I'm gonna put 1 to 2 hours. But realistically, it's gonna take you a little bit of time to build it and grow it, but you can put a link out there like that, literally in minutes. So that's another pro to affiliate marketing, I guess. That's a win there. Amazon profit margins. The problem with Amazon, you'll see right here, on average, you would expect in the e-commerce space about 30% on the profit margins, because you have a lot of overhead, right? You have product costs, you have advertising costs, you have fulfillment costs, right? There's so many things that come into the profit that lower the profits on your Amazon business. Whereas affiliate marketing, all you're doing is driving traffic. So you can literally get commissions from 50% plus. So the profit margin is way greater. We've had profit margins all the way up to 80 to 90% in our business, right? Because of the fact that we are not actually buying the inventory, right? So that's what's amazing about that. We don't have as much overhead. Customer service, CS right here. With Amazon, how much customer service is there? It's not a lot, but yes, you do have customer service, right? You don't have a lot because for the most part, Amazon does all the customer service when you're doing fulfillment by Amazon. However, you still have to input inventory. You still have to make sure, like there's still, like you still have to do logistics and stuff. And then if people do have refunds, then if people do leave bad reviews and stuff like that, then you do have to reach out. Yes, you have to try to solve issues, like when you have malfunctioned inventory, like say it's electronic stuff, is bad inventory, you do have to do some service work with that. With affiliate marketing, no, you do not have to do customer service. It is not required because you are literally just promoting some other person's product, like no teeth whitening kits, right? As an affiliate, all I'm doing is driving traffic to that company. If a sale occurs, well, then it's on the company to fulfill the orders, do refunds, do chargeback. Anything that goes wrong is on the company, not me, right, as an affiliate. So no, you don't do customer service, you don't have support tickets, you don't have refunds, you don't have any of that with affiliate marketing, right? Moving down to the cost. The cost to get started with Amazon, realistically, you'll hear a bunch of gurus tell you it costs like $500 or $1,000. That is not true because you have to buy inventory. In all reality, it costs anywhere between $5K to $10K to really get started and even test the marketplace, right? To even test to see if your product's a good idea. Between photography costs, between product costs, between import costs, between taxes, between running ads if you choose to do so, then it's going to get you upwards closer to that 10K mark. Obviously, this is dependent on the product you choose. Maybe you have a $1 a dog whistle or something that's a lot cheaper to manufacture than like a pair of shoes, right? Because we manufacture shoes and stuff, because I do have an Amazon store, but I generate way more revenue in my affiliate marketing business. And we manufacture shoes, and they could cost us upwards of $10, $15 per a unit, right? So that also has a lot to do with the cost, right? Because you want to send in at least 200 units. Well, that's actually the limit Amazon lets you set at the time of this recording. 200, if you're a new seller, you can only send in 200 units of a new product. But then again, you have to continually buy more products and replenish the inventory. Otherwise, you can never scale, right? So you have to have at least 5 to 10K to start, but do not expect to take profits out. You can't take profits out of your business because you have to constantly reinvest it to scale that business, right? Affiliate marketing costs. Honestly, there's a lot of people will say you could do this for free. I won't say you could do it for free. You can. You could go get an affiliate link right now and you can go plug it out there on social media for free. You totally could do that. Are you going to see much success with that? Probably not. Can you see some success? Yes. What realistically, I like to tell people they need to have anywhere between 1K to 2K to get started, because it's a business. You got to treat it like a business, but instead of buying inventory, you're going to you're going to invest in knowledge. So you need maybe a course or a mentor or something for skills to teach you how to do this, and then some software tools, right? So instead of inventory, we're buying software tools, right? Like a funnel builder, an email autoresponder, and maybe a website. Those are like the 3 essential tools to run an affiliate marketing business. So if you just plan for that ahead, if you're like, okay, well, I've got about $1,000 I can spend, so that'll get me on my feet for the next 4 to 6 months to get started with the softwares, right? Software tools aren't that expensive. It literally adds up to be about 100, 150 a month when you're just starting out. The pro to affiliate marketing is, or actually let's go with the pro with Amazon, is the fact it is Amazon. Oh, you know what we forgot? I'm going to add something else on here. We'll talk about it in just a minute. The pros to Amazon is the fact it's Amazon. Everybody knows who Amazon is. Like almost everybody in the world uses Amazon or has heard of Amazon. So it's super easy to get found for the most part. However, it's obviously got a lot of competition directly on the marketplace. Amazon is Amazon. So if you build a company on Amazon and it has good revenue and you're good at marketing and you were able to build it relatively quickly, you can sell that business. You can have an exit strategy, right? There's a valuation to that company. You can sell it because you're not the face of the company, right? And you can do that with the affiliate marketing too. It's just a little bit easier on Amazon because of the fact Amazon is Amazon, right? So that's one of the main pros to Amazon is everybody knows what it is. Affiliate marketing, a pro to affiliate marketing is it's super flexible, right? So a buddy of mine, John Cristani, actually did a video just like this a year ago. And that's where I got the inspiration to do this. And he says the same thing. It's super flexible to do affiliate marketing, right? Because you could pivot, you can move, you can live wherever you want, right? You could do what you want. You could change products if something's not working. Like Amazon, if you purchase inventory and the product doesn't sell, it's not as easy to just pivot and sell a different product, right? Because you just invested 5 or 10 grand in a pair of shoes and obviously a bunch of variances, different colors, different sizes, stuff like that. Like you want that to sell. Not everybody has another 10 grand or 15 grand to go test another product. Whereas affiliate marketing is if you spend $100 in ads and they just don't convert, well, guess what? You just go try a different product. You just go find another product. You could pivot you can pivot so fast. So it's super flexible and you can do it anywhere, and you can do it on your computer. You don't have to worry about logistics and stuff like that. There's no customer service. There's so many pros to it that I don't even want to name them all in this video. Let's talk about the cons to Amazon. The con to Amazon is going to be, I want to say, obviously your profit margins. It's competitive, it's cutthroat. We're just going to say competition, right? And the reason is you're competing against big brands. You're competing against Amazon, right? If you're on their platform and your product's doing amazing, who's stopping somebody else from going and launching the same product? Who's stopping Amazon from going and launching that product and then it becoming an Amazon Basics product, right? And then automatically ranking. So you could lose rank so fast, and it's out of your control. It's not your business. It's still Amazon. It's owned by Amazon. Everything's Amazon. All you are is, you're like a middleman, right? So it's a little out of your control. It has its downsides, right? Everything does. Affiliate marketing has cons too. Some of the cons with affiliate marketing, I guess we would say, is it could be a slower process, right? I guess you would say, because you have to actually learn marketing, right? It's not, people aren't actively going to your offers. You have to bring your people in. You have to bring traffic to your offer. If you can't generate traffic, you're not going to generate sales. Whereas on Amazon, if you post a product, people naturally go there every single day. And if your product is seen, people go buy it. Like, it's a website. It has its own traffic audience. It has its own audience already. And that is the biggest problem with affiliate marketing, is if you don't know how to generate traffic, then you're going to have a little bit harder time getting started. And I wanted to touch on one more thing here. So let me grab this pen right here. And one more thing is going to be ads, right? So with Amazon, do you have to run ads to get traffic? No. Should you run ads? Yes. You can run ads built into the platform, and it could just be a sponsored listing on Amazon's platform. So it's really easy. So learning a skill and learning how to do marketing isn't as difficult, I guess you would say, or as complex as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, yes, no. So like ads, we'll say no, yes. On Amazon, no, you don't have to. Can you? Yes. Affiliate marketing, yes, you really should. No, you don't have to. It's kind of backwards. And the reason I'm saying that is, yes, it's easier to run ads, because if you can spend $100 on ads, and then if you can make that $100 break even and build your email list, you could generate you could increase the lifetime value of that customer for free in the future through your emails, right? And then it's easier to test, and it's a lot less of a headache. Whereas if you do no, and your options are using free social media platforms or forums, right? Forums are a little outdated, to be honest. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and stuff like that, you could post for free if you don't have money for ads. So then you don't need you don't need money, right? So it goes both ways with both of them. Yes, no, no, yes, either one. Affiliate marketing, it is easier to run with ads, and you can scale faster, because as soon as you learn to put $1 in and get $2 out, you could create infinite amount of wealth. So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just drop down in the comments. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I appreciate everybody being here. We'll see you in the next video.